Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable record stereo sound in camera on your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen, then tap on settings. In settings, you want to go down and tap on camera, then tap on record stereo sound switch to turn it on or off, and that's it. Now you can tap on the back key to go back to the previous screen, or you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. So when you are setting to record in stereo sound, it will use the microphone at the top as well as the bottom to allow you to record in stereo sound. So they have dual channels of audio coming into your video recording. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.